Hello friends, I am Wim Hof, and I am here to share a secret with you. A secret that has transformed my life and the lives of countless others around the world. It is a secret that lies within each of us, waiting to be unlocked. This secret is not hidden in some faraway place, it is right here within our own bodies. This secret is the power of our own breath. The breath is a powerful tool that we often take for granted, but it holds the key to unlocking our true potential. For years, people thought I was crazy for doing the things I do, swimming under ice, running marathons in the desert with no water. They couldn't understand how I could push my body to such extremes, running marathons in the desert with no water. But what they didn't realize is that the human body is capable of incredible feats when we learn to harness the power of our breath. But my secret is not magic, it is the Wim Hof method. This method is a combination of breathing exercises, cold exposure, and commitment. It is a way to reconnect with our primal instincts and tap into the innate power that resides within us. This method is about reclaiming control over your body and mind using simple breathing techniques and cold exposure. By practicing these techniques, you can improve your immune system, increase your energy levels, and reduce stress. It is about tapping into your inner potential and becoming stronger, healthier, and happier. The Wim Hof method is not just about physical endurance, it is about mental resilience and emotional well-being. It is a journey of self-discovery, and I invite you to join me. Together, we can explore the depths of our own capabilities and unleash the power that lies within each of us. Are you ready to take the first step on this incredible journey? The Wim Hof method might sound intimidating, but it is surprisingly simple. It all starts with your breath. Here's how it works. First, find a comfortable spot. Sit or lie down, close your eyes, and relax. Next, take deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your belly, chest, and then your head with air. Then, exhale fully, letting the breath go naturally, without forcing it. Repeat this 30 times, noticing how your body feels with each breath. That's it. This controlled hyperventilation is the foundation of the Wim Hof method. It might feel strange at first, but trust the process. You might be wondering how something as simple as breathing can have such profound effects. The answer lies in science. When you practice the Wim Hof method, you are essentially supercharging your body with oxygen. This increased oxygenation brings about a cascade of benefits. It reduces inflammation, strengthens your immune system, and helps your body better manage stress. Modern science is just beginning to understand the full potential of the Wim Hof method. Studies have shown its effectiveness in boosting mood, improving sleep, and even alleviating symptoms of autoimmune diseases. We live in a world that is constantly demanding our attention. Stress has become a chronic condition for many of us. But what if I told you that you have a powerful tool to combat stress right under your nose? The Wim Hof method is like a reset button for your nervous system. The controlled breathing exercises help regulate your stress response, bringing you back to a state of calm and focus. By practicing the Wim Hof method, you can learn to navigate the challenges of modern life with more ease and resilience. 30 days to a new you, the Wim Hof Challenge. This is not just a challenge, it's a journey towards a healthier, more resilient you. Imagine waking up every day feeling more energized, more focused, and more in tune with your body and mind. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of the Wim Hof method? This method combines breathing exercises, cold exposure, and commitment to help you unlock your full potential. It's about pushing your boundaries and discovering what you're truly capable of. I challenge you to embark on a 30-day journey with me. Here's your roadmap. Each week, we'll focus on different aspects of the Wim Hof method, gradually building up your resilience and strength. By the end of this journey, you'll have developed a powerful new set of skills to enhance your life. Week 1. Start with 3 rounds of the basic breathing exercise daily. This involves deep, rhythmic inhalations and exhalations, followed by a breath hold. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can help you reduce stress and increase your energy levels. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. It's important to be mindful and not push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Allow your body to adapt to the new practice. Week 2. Gradually increase the number of rounds. As you become more comfortable with the breathing exercises, try to add more rounds to your daily routine. This will help you build endurance and deepen your practice, and experiment with holding your breath after the inhalations. This can help you improve your lung capacity and control over your breath, which are essential skills for managing stress and enhancing physical performance. Week 3. Introduce cold showers into your routine. Cold exposure is a key component of the Wim Hof method. It can help boost your immune system, improve circulation, and increase your tolerance to stress. Starting with a few seconds. Begin with just a few seconds of cold water at the end of your regular shower, and gradually increase the duration as you become more accustomed to the cold, and gradually increasing the duration. Over time, you'll find that you can tolerate longer periods of cold exposure, which will enhance the benefits you receive from this practice. Week 4. Continue with the breathing exercises and cold exposure, exploring different variations and pushing your limits. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you practice, the more profound the effects will be. Even a few minutes of practice each day can make a world of difference. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and watch as you transform into a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. Real people, real results. Stories from the Wim Hof community. The Wim Hof method, developed by the Dutch extreme athlete Wim Hof, has become a global phenomenon. It combines breathing techniques, cold exposure, and commitment to help individuals unlock their full potential. But what truly sets this method apart are the real-life stories of transformation from people all over the world. The Wim Hof method has helped thousands of people around the world improve their lives. Whether it's through enhanced physical performance, mental clarity, or emotional resilience, the benefits are profound and far-reaching. People have reported overcoming chronic illnesses, reducing stress, and even finding a new sense of purpose. From athletes to CEOs to stay-at-home parents, people from all walks of life have experienced incredible transformations. Athletes have found that the method helps them recover faster and perform better. Business professionals use it to manage stress and improve focus. Families practice it together to bond and promote overall well-being. I used to suffer from chronic anxiety, says Sarah, a teacher from California. Before discovering the Wim Hof method, Sarah struggled with daily anxiety that affected her work and personal life. She found it difficult to concentrate and often felt overwhelmed. The Wim Hof method has helped me regain control over my mind and body. Through regular practice, Sarah learned to manage her anxiety and found a new sense of calm. She now feels more in control of her emotions and is able to face challenges with a clear mind. I feel calmer, more focused, and more energized than ever before. Sarah's story is just one of many. People from all over the world have shared similar experiences, finding that the Wim Hof method brings a new level of energy and focus to their lives. John, a retired firefighter from New York, shares, "I was skeptical at first, but the Wim Hof method has done wonders for my energy levels and overall well-being." John spent years dealing with the physical and emotional toll of his demanding career. He was looking for a way to rejuvenate his body and mind. "I feel younger and stronger than I have in years." Through the Wim Hof method, John found a new lease on life. He now enjoys activities he thought were behind him and feels a renewed sense of vitality. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories within the Wim Hof community. Each story is unique, but they all share a common thread of transformation and empowerment. The community is filled with people who have taken control of their health and well-being through this powerful method. Your story could be next. Imagine what you could achieve with the Wim Hof method. Whether you're looking to improve your physical health, mental clarity, or emotional resilience, the possibilities are endless. Join the community and start your journey today. Embrace the cold, the next level of the Wim Hof method. While the breathing exercises are powerful on their own, combining them with cold exposure takes the Wim Hof method to a whole new level. I know the thought of cold showers or ice baths might sound daunting, but trust me on this one. Exposing yourself to cold temperatures might seem counterintuitive, but it actually offers a myriad of benefits. It boosts your circulation, strengthens your immune system, and releases endorphins, leaving you feeling invigorated and alive. Start slowly and gradually increase your exposure time. You'll be amazed at how your body adapts and how empowered you feel. My journey with the cold and breath, a personal story. My own journey with the cold and breath began as a way to cope with the tragic loss of my wife. Through the power of cold exposure and conscious breathing, I discovered a hidden strength within myself. I realized that we are all capable of overcoming incredible challenges and tapping into a wellspring of inner power. Ready to change your life? Take the first breath. The Wim Hof method is not a quick fix. It is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It is about pushing your limits, exploring your potential, and becoming the best version of yourself. Are you ready to take the first step? Join me on this incredible journey and discover the power that lies within you. Breathe deep, embrace the cold, and unlock your inner strength. The world is waiting for you.